Hi guys, this is Sarah. I wanted to talk to you today about getting yourself out of group environments. Now, what I mean specifically by this is that I know a lot of people that I've worked with on Fast for Life Part 1 are looking for ways to go beyond their current systems. And what I mean by that is going beyond perhaps society expectations, perhaps family expectations, in order that they can realize their potential so they can be who they really are and speak their truth and really understand what happens when they allow themselves to do that. So what I want to talk about is the fact that actually this is really, really difficult. And that doesn't mean to say we shouldn't do it. It's about the fact that we want to prepare ourselves for it. We want to allow ourselves to realize that change requires training in us. We've got to practice changing. And it also requires training other people that we've trained. Because, we don't want to fall out with family. We actually want, ideally we want to bring our family with us. However, that's often not the case. So we want to prepare ourselves to be different to our family. We want to prepare ourselves that it's okay for them to be where they are and for us to be where we are. We want to continue to train them. Because often when we're breaking out of a boundary, people will be like, oh, look, there she goes again, oh, she's trying this fad, she's trying that fad. And there may be inconsistency in our behavior and in our communication just because we're trying and then we get stuck and then we come back, and then we're trying and then we get stuck and then we come back. It's a bit like being in a giant rubber band. So trust that you will get out. Trust that you have enough commitment to yourself and who you really are, and that you've identified your motivation for getting out, because your motivation for getting out is really what is driving this process. So allow yourself to give it a go, and if you don't get out first, second, third, 15th, 16th, 23rd, 34th time, you are gonna get there. And this is what commitment to self really is. It's trusting that this is what you really want, that this is what's really going to happen, and you are going to find the way to get there. I believe in you, believe in yourself, it's going to be good.